Key benchmark indices edged lower on the first day of the week on doubts over global economic recovery. European stocks and US index futures edged lower. The BSE 30 share Sensex was provisionally down 128 points or 0.71%, off close to 165 points from the day's high and up close to 40 points from the day's low. The BSE Sensex closed above the psychological 18,000 mark after falling below that level for a brief period in mid-afternoon trade. IT, realty and metal stocks fell. Index heavyweight Reliance Industries edged lower. A bout of volatility was witnessed in initial trade as the key benchmark indices swung between gain and losses. The market was a tad higher in morning trade as some Asian stocks came off initial lows and US index future reversed initial losses. The market hit fresh intraday high in mid-morning trade as Asian stock extended gains after earlier recovery from lows. The market slumped to fresh intraday low in mid-afternoon trade as European stocks turned negative and US index future edged lower. The S&P CNX Nifty was down 34 points or 0.64% to 5417 as per provisional figures. At the day's high of 18203.92 hit in the mid-morning trade in Sensex, the index rose 36.89 points and the index fell 169 points at the day's low of 17997 in mid-afternoon trade. European shares pulled back from early gains to trade lower on Monday 16th of August 2010 as losses from banks offset deal-related gains from Vedanta Resources and Kane Energy. The key benchmark indices in UK, France and Germany were down by almost 0.1% to 0.85%. Asian shares came off initial lows on Monday 16th August 2010 led by rally in Chinese stocks. Financial shares were leading the Chinese market higher after Agriculture Bank of China said on Sunday 15th August 2010 that it fully exercised the over-allotment or green shoe option on the Shanghai portion of its initial public offering. The Shanghai Composite Index was up 2.11%. Hang Seng was up 0.19% and the Taiwan Weighted Index were up by almost 0.63%.